Hello and welcome to all. In today's session, we'll see how we can record a script using BlazeMeter. Okay, so BlazeMeter is a Chrome extension, and today's session we'll see how we can record script using BlazeMeter. Okay, so in last session we already covered recording a script using a proxy in Mozilla Firefox, and today's session we'll see how we can record a script using BlazeMeter. Okay, so before we start, why we use a BlazeMeter recorder? Okay, so most QA engineer waste time configuring the proxies in JMeter. Okay, in this video, I will show you how we can do faster and professional way to record a script using BlazeMeter. Okay, and then definitely if you use the BlazeMeter, it is increasing our speed and the accuracy. Okay, and another benefit is like it's eliminate the manual proxy configuration complexity. And once we recorded the BlazeMeter script, okay, we'll directly export to JMeter. So it's a kind of faster creation of the smoke scripts. Okay, and before we start, we required to install the Java, then Apache JMeter. So I already installed the Apache JMeter, that version 5.6.2. Okay, I already extracted, and we required like Google Chrome and the BlazeMeter Chrome extension. Okay, since we are using and recording the script using the BlazeMeter. And to simulate the application, we are using full stack mindset URL web page. Okay, now here you can see the BlazeMeter. Okay, in Google Chrome, we are opening the BlazeMeter recorder, and after that, we are exporting jmeter.jmx file in JMeter. So now main benefit is like no manual proxy setup is required. Okay, and we can simply use the recorded script. Okay, now here is a step-by-step guide. Okay, so first we need to install the BlazeMeter extension. So here we need to open the Chrome, and then we need to search the BlazeMeter, and we need to add this extension. Okay, once you launch the recorder, BlazeMeter icon comes in Chrome, and we simply click on the selected new text and choose record. Okay, so once we click on the recording, okay, we need to perform a real user action like login or click on the home screen or search product. Okay, so all requests are captured automatically. Then after that, we need to stop the recording. Then BlazeMeter shows the recorded request, and after that, we need to export to JMeter. We need to download the JMX file, and we need to export it. Okay, then what we'll get it? Okay, once we export the script or import the script in JMeter. Okay, so here we can see we'll see thread group, HTTP request sampler, configuration files, and all these details. And it's a kind of ready to use baseline script. Okay, so remember, if we recorded the script, we will not use as it is. Okay, so before that, we need to refactor it. Okay, so how we'll do it? So here we can see after the recording. Okay, so we need to refine it. So how we'll do it? So we'll handle the dynamic values. Okay, like using regular expression or JSON extractor. Okay, we can use the parameterization as well. If there is some hard-coded values are there, we'll remove it, and we will use the CSV dataset, or the we can use the parameterization. Here I have mentioned. Okay, then we also remove the noise request, like we can delete it unnecessary calls. Okay, images. Okay, then we need to add the assertion as per our test case. Okay, so we can add the assertion, response assertion, or duration assertion, and we also add the think time simulation, and we need to give the proper load like users ramp up and loop count as per our requirement. Okay, so now if you see, we'll see all these things in demo. Okay, so why recorded scripts are important? Okay, so here I have mentioned like it saves the 60 to 70% of scripting efforts, and it improves the accuracy versus manual scripting. And that is the reason we need to use, or we need to baseline the our script using recorded script using BlazeMeter. Okay, so what I will do, I'm going to open a JMeter first. Okay, I will come here, and my JMeter is already installed this drive, and I'm going to open jmeter.batch file since I'm using the Windows 11. Okay, here you can see my JMeter is opening. Okay, JMeter is opened. Okay, so now before that, okay, we need to record the script, and after that we will simply come here and import the script. Okay, using like a file, and we can see open. Okay, like here. Okay, so what I will do, I am going to record a script, and here, so this is the Chrome extension I already installed. Here we can see. Okay, I'm going to click on Chrome extension. Okay, and this is the if first time you are opening the Chrome extension, so you will not able to see this username. Okay, so you need to log in with your username, either Google accounts, or you need to create your own username and password with BlazeMeter. And after that, once you log in with your credentials, okay, you will see hi username, and then after that we are good to record the script. Okay, so this is I will mention given, and this is the record button. Okay, so till now I have not started the recording. I am going to start the recording. So now if you see, here I have not did any proxy setting. Okay, like last session we did it for the Firefox. Okay, I simply come here, start recording, and here you can see my recording started. Okay, now as part of today's demo, I am going to use our web page. Okay, here you can see I just click on here. Again I will click on home. Okay, and full stack giveaway. Okay, and now I am going to stop it. Okay, stop recording. Okay, now if I click on stop recording, okay, now again I will open it. Okay, and here you can see now we'll save it. Okay, so I am going to mention JMeter. Okay, save. Okay, here you can see it's exporting the JMX format. Okay, now it is asking to export the things, so I am going to export JMX. Okay, here. Okay, so right now, like as I mentioned, so I am using 5.6.2 since it's a more stable version, full stack giveaway, and I am going to copy these things, save. Okay, now what I will do, I am going opening the JMeter, and from here, file open. Okay, JMeter full stack giveaway. Okay, so now here you can see. Okay, all the configuration things came here. Okay, so we can delete it, whatever things is not required. Okay, so now here you can see base URL underscore one, and it's give the value, and after that we'll use the parameterization in our test. Okay, now if you came here, okay, so here you can see it is a parameterize. Okay, now here you can see launch one. Okay, if it is the same URL, okay, you can delete it, this is not required. Okay, here you can see noise calls is not happen. Okay, unnecessary calls not happen. Okay, and here home. Okay, this is same URL. Now I will delete it. Okay, click on yes. Okay, so now if you compare, if you observe the last session, we need to do lot of things manually. Okay, but here lot of things like it's unnecessary calls not came. Okay, even parameters also done correctly. Okay, using this way, and here we have already configured. Okay, now I am going to add the listener. Add listener. Okay, now if you execute this one, this script for single user, okay, I'm going to save it and run it, and here you can see. Okay, so now I added the summary report tabular format. What I will do, listener, I'm going to add view result tree. Okay, and here let me re-execute again. Okay, so now launch. Okay, response data if you see in HTML format. Okay, so now this is the more professional way. Okay, we can see it now. If you navigate to home, okay, here you can see all the recorded script, full stack KV. Okay, launch. Okay, even test. Okay, and now if we add the more users, like 5 users, and the 5 ramp up time, I'm going to save it. I'm going to execute it again. Okay, and in view result you can see, okay, 5. Okay, view result tree. Okay, launch, you can see. Okay, full stack KV. Okay, so this way we can use the BlazeMeter, and after that, once our scripts got recorded, we can import the .jmx extension in JMeter and we'll use it. So this is my baseline, and after that we'll add the assertions using like add. Here you can see it, add assertion. Then we can add the timer. If you want to use the logic control, we can use it. Okay. So if in case you have any questions, queries, please let me know. Thank you.